Everyone is talking about AI right now, but most people are still confused about what it actually is, how to use it, and where to start without wasting time or money. So in this video, I'm going to explain AI in the simplest way possible, show you how regular people are using it every day, and give you a practical way to start today, even if you are a complete beginner. Here's the problem. Most beginners enter the world of AI the wrong way. They watch random videos, install too many tools, test things with no clear goal, and then feel overwhelmed in less than a week. They think AI is only for programmers, tech experts, or people with expensive subscriptions. That is exactly why so many people quit before they ever get real value from it. And honestly, the internet makes it worse. Every day there is a new tool, a new update, a new headline, and a new creator saying, "This changes everything." But for most people, the real question is much simpler. They just want to know, how can AI help me save time, do better work, and make my life easier? That is the question we are going to answer in this video. Let's make this easy. AI is not just one thing. It is not one app, one website, or one robot doing everything for you. A better way to think about AI is this. AI is a group of tools that can help you think faster, write faster, create faster, research faster, and solve problems faster. Some AI tools are great for writing emails, summaries, blog posts, and ideas. Some are better for coding and debugging. Some create images, video, and voice. And some act more like assistants that help you organize tasks, brainstorm solutions, or automate repetitive work. So the goal is not to learn all of AI at once. That is the wrong approach. The real goal is to pick one problem and use one AI tool to solve it better than you could before. That is when AI becomes useful. And this matters because the people who benefit most from AI are not always the smartest people or the most technical people. In many cases, they are simply the people who learn how to ask better questions and apply AI to real tasks. If you know how to explain what you want clearly, AI becomes much more powerful. If you are vague, the results will usually be vague too. That means beginners can get good results faster than they think. Practical example 1. Let's look at a real example. Imagine you need to write a professional follow-up email after a job interview. You could stare at a blank page for 20 minutes, or you could use AI as a starting point. Instead of typing something generic like, "Write me an email," you give the tool context. For example, write a short and professional follow-up email after a job interview. Thank the interviewer for their time, express strong interest in the role, and keep the tone warm, confident, and concise. Now the result is already much better because the AI understands the goal, the situation, and the tone. And then you improve it one more time. You can say, make it more natural. Shorten it to 100 words. Make it sound more confident. Add one sentence about teamwork and problem solving. This is how most people should be using AI. Not to replace their brain, but to speed up the first draft and improve the final result. Practical example 2. Here is another example. Let's say you are a student or a professional reading a long article, report, or lesson, and you want the key points fast. You can ask AI, summarize this in simple English. Or, explain this like I am a beginner. Or, give me the 3 most important ideas and one practical example. Now, instead of feeling lost, you get a simpler version that helps you understand faster. And this is why AI is so powerful. It reduces friction. It helps you move from confusion to clarity faster. Practical example 3. Now let's take one more example. Maybe you want to create content. You have an idea for a YouTube video, but you do not know how to structure it. AI can help you outline the video, improve the hook, generate title variations, rewrite weak sections, and even turn the main idea into short-form clips for social media. Again, the magic is not in pressing one button. The magic is in using AI as a creative partner. The biggest mistake. Now let's talk about the biggest mistake beginners make. They use weak prompts. They type things like, "Help me. Write something good. Make this better." That is too vague. If you want better output, give AI 4 things: the goal, the audience, the format, and the tone. For example, write a YouTube intro for beginners about AI. Make it clear, modern, engaging, and under 100 words. That is already much stronger. The more specific your instructions are, the more useful the answer becomes. Mindset shift. And here is the mindset shift that changes everything. Do not ask, what is the best AI tool in the world? Ask, What is the best AI tool for this specific task? That one change saves you time, saves you money, and helps you avoid the trap of testing dozens of tools for no reason. Because the truth is, most people do not need 20 AI tools. They need 1 or 2 tools they understand well and use consistently. Beginner Action Plan. So if you are a complete beginner, here is the easiest way to start. Step 1. Pick one task you do often. That could be writing emails, summarizing notes, generating ideas, drafting content, studying, coding, or planning your week. Step 2. Choose one AI tool that fits that task. Step 3. Use it every day for 1 week on real problems, not fake examples. Step 4. Learn how to improve your prompts by being more specific. And Step 5. Keep what actually helps you and ignore the hype. That is the real beginner strategy. Encouragement. You do not need to master AI in 1 day. You do not need to test every trending app. And you definitely do not need to be a programmer to benefit from it. You just need to understand one simple idea. AI becomes useful when it helps you solve a real problem faster and better. That is it. Once you understand that, everything becomes easier. So if AI has felt confusing, overwhelming, or overhyped, start simple. Pick one task. Use one tool. Write better prompts. And focus on real results. If you want, this channel is all about practical AI for real people. Beginner guides, useful tools, honest reviews, and workflows that actually save time. So subscribe, and in the next video I'll show you the best AI tools for beginners in 2026 and which ones are actually worth using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.